Hey everybody, it's Mr. Hershey with your video for Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Okay. As always, you can reach me at jasonhershey2013 at gmail.com or whershey at stillacademyedu.org. Don't forget about our Zoom meetings today. Okay. 6th grade at 10, 7th grade at 10:20, 8th grade at 10:40. I emailed everybody a meeting ID and a password yesterday. Okay. I'll do it again about 20 minutes or so before the meeting. So you should have that as well, okay? And then don't forget, the pantry is always open Tuesday to Thursday from 10 to 12. Okay, so today we're working on factoring expressions, okay? And remember we said everything scaffolds on top of each other, so we build upon. So yesterday we did expanding expressions, okay? Where we took it from here and we expanded it out and made it bigger, okay? So today we are going to make them, we're going to go the other way, okay? So we're not going to do number one. Number one was all goofy and messed up. So if you have a paper, cross it out. If you're doing it on Google Classroom, just put question mark by it, whatever it is, okay? So number two, we have negative 4 over 24c minus 8 over 42. Okay, so we want to see what number we can find that goes into the top and what number goes into the bottom, okay? So we know 4 goes into 4 and 8. 2 will go too, but we want 4 because 4 is the bigger one, okay? So we know be 4, okay? So 4 goes into 4 one time, okay? 4 goes into 8 2 times, okay? You see that? So 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So then those are our numbers here, 4 and 8, okay? So now what number goes into 24 and 42? You'll probably need a number line for this, okay? But it's 6, okay? So 6, 12, 18, 24. So 6, so it's going to go here, okay? So negative 4, 6 times 4 goes into 24 4 times, 4c, minus 4 goes into 42 7 times, okay? Does that make sense so far? So basically what you're doing, if you were to multiply these out, remember the parentheses mean multiply. 4 times 1 is 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 7 is 42, right? So we're just taking it, so it comes back to the original one, okay? So we're just taking it and expanding it out. So we're doing the opposite of what we were doing yesterday. Okay, makes sense? So let's try number 3, okay? So negative 14 over 27d plus 8 over 12, okay? So what number goes into both 14 and 7? Okay. 1 will, 1 doesn't count. 2 will. And that's it. So it's going to be 2. So you know your first line is 2 over, okay, parentheses. 2 goes into 14 7 times, right? Over d plus 2 goes into 8 4 times. Okay, now what number goes into 27 and 12? Okay, 2 won't because this is odd, that's even. 3 will, 3 goes into 12 and 27, and that's it. So 3 goes into 27 9 times, 3 goes into 12 4 times, okay? And we said this was 3 here, okay? So there's your answer, and then you can always check it by going 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 9 is 27, d, negative, plus 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12. And that should be the exact same thing. This and this should match. This is playing it out. Okay? Everybody understand so far? We'll do one more, okay? So negative 3 over 30e plus 6 over 25. 3 goes into 3 and 6. So it's going to be 3 over, parentheses, 3 goes into 3 one time. Okay, I'm going to put the E here. Plus 3 goes into 6 two times. Okay, close parentheses. 30 and 25. Well, every time you got a 5, you know 5 goes in. So it's going to be 5. So 5 goes into, so actually 5 will be here. Okay, 5 goes into 36 times. 5 goes into 25 5 times. So again, when you factor this all out, 3 times 1 is 3. 6 times 5 is 30. Plus 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 5 is 25. So here, this one and this one should match. Okay? So that's all you're going to do for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Do the best you can. Okay? Work the problem out. Try to understand the relationship between the numbers. That's really what it's about. Okay? If you have any questions, you can always email me, jasonhershey2013@gmail.com or whershey@steelacademyedu.org. Okay? And remember our Zoom meetings today. Wednesday, May 6th, 6th grade is at 10 o'clock, 7th grade is at 10:20, 8th grade is at 10:40. If you have any questions, my office hours are 1 to 4, but you can email me anytime, okay? That's it. I will see you guys soon. I miss you. Take care of yourselves, and have a good day.